So hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can solve can install problems on your Play Store. So it's a very common problem and faced by many people, and we'll be doing very simple yet very powerful steps to fix all these kind of issues. In the very first step, open up your Play Store and tap on your profile, and then you're going to go to settings. Then you're going to tap on network preferences and change the download network preference to over any network. Now under your profile, tap on Play Protect and go to its settings. In its settings, disable the second available option. After that, close everything. Go to your mobile settings, then apps, manage apps, and here search for Play Store and clear its cache. Once you have done with that, now this time you will not get any kind of issue with your Play Store. So if you found this video helpful guys, then make sure to give this a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.